recording mode. Good, get on the inside. Good, come on.
Tornadoes touched down in Texas and Louisiana as a powerful storm system that dumped heavy snow in California moved across the southern plains and deep south Thursday. Hundreds of thousands of people will at some point go out of power and have to cancel hundreds of flights to and from Dallas. Wind gusts exceeding 70 miles per hour were reported in Texas as tornado watches were issued Thursday night in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. National Weather Service teams scheduled to depart Friday to survey areas for likely tornado damage in the storm's path, which stretched from southeastern Oklahoma to Texas and neighboring Arkansas and Louisiana. North of Dallas, the winds killed trees, ripped the roof off a grocery store and downed 4 18-wheelers along the United States Highway 75 around. Only minor injuries were reported, police said. In Little Elm, a suburb of Dallas, high winds slammed the front of a shopping mall into multiple vehicles, CBS Texas reported, adding that no one was in any of the vehicles at the time. In Brock, Texas, outside of Fort Worth, a local resident captured an apparent piece of sheet metal flying towards his house, and that was damaged to North Richland Hills. In Louisiana, a tornado touched down near Louisiana State University in Shreveport. And in Arkansas, the Pike County Sheriff's Office reported minor injuries after a possible tornado touched down in Kirby. A lot of structural damage, fallen trees and downed power lines, the agency said.